Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. I'm called Rashida in case you are new on this channel. So guys, I have my viewers here who asked for the house tour. They were like, Rashida, please, you have not yet given us your house tour ever since you finished the plastering of your house. So guys, today I'm here to share with you my house tour. And after this house tour video, I'm going to give you the cost of our plastering. I'm going to give you the cost of plastering our house, okay? So let me not talk too much. Let me show you my detailed house tour after the plastering. I hope you enjoyed the video. In case you have, please subscribe to the channel. You can leave a comment here and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. So guys, enjoy. Please come with me. Let me take you inside so that you see what we have. When you stand here at the entrance of the dining, this is what we have. Yeah, we have our dining area over here. Then over this side, we have our big dining window. Yeah, so this is the view from this is the view of the dining, then the dining window. Guys, don't mind about that noise. We are loofing something here. Then guys, over that side, we have our bookshelf. Yeah, although the books which are supposed to be on that bookshelf, I kept them. So on this bookshelf, I only have my kids' school stuff, okay? So let me give you the view, yeah, of the dining window, then the bookshelf. Then over this side, we have the entrance for the dining. Now I don't know why it looks like it wants to rain, yet the lighting was good. But whatever the situation, we are recording this video today. You see guys, we don't have sun. It looks like now it wants to rain. Then over that side, we have the entrance of the dining window. Yeah, the entrance of the dining. Guys, one thing I love about my house, it has enough light. The weather is kind of cloudy, but again, you can see that my house has enough light. Then over this side, we have the living room. Yeah, this is our simple living room with our couches here. A one-seater there, then a two-seater over this side, then a one-seater here. These couches have really served us. Those chairs are old than my firstborn. My firstborn is 7 years. Now here they are older than my firstborn. Then over here we have the center table. My young son decided to write on it. Yeah, this is our center table. Then we have the center carpet here. Then over that side we have our TV. Then the TV stand, our Wi-Fi over there. Then this craft there, then the flowers there. Yeah, then that's what we have over that side. Then over here we have this frame for family. F for a little bit crazy, me a little bit louder, le a little, and a whole lots of love. So we have that, okay? So let me give you the view of our living room. Okay, so this is the view of my living room, okay? Yeah, from the dining, that's our living room. Then from there, we have our kitchen. Yeah, it's just a simple kitchen. Here we have the washing machine. Then this solar iron box, which no longer works. Then our electricity iron box. But guys, you know, we do not have electricity here at home. We use solar, so all the appliances you see here, which are electronic appliances, we don't use them. Yeah, like the washing machine, the microwave, we don't use them. This one it's a car washing machine. Then the vacuum cleaner, we do not use them. Then over here, I have my eggs. These are local eggs for my birds. Yeah, I'm into chicken. Okay, I want to start chicken business. So I have my local eggs over there. Then over this side, we have this home. This is where we keep our kids. Then we have this. Then our crock. Then the gas cooker. This big one is empty, guys. Then it's only this one which has gas. Then over here, we are cooking some food for us and the builders. Okay. Then over this side, this is what we have. We have here where we keep the towels. Here, then we have the air fryer, the cake mixer, the blender. This is a cooker, but they are all electronic. Then down here we have the spices, the juice, the beans. Yeah, then down here we have more of the cooking items. Yeah, so that's what we have over that side. Then here, this is where we keep our forks, spoons. Okay, let me show you what we have. Although it's disorganized, here it's where I keep the wooden things, the spoon, the mingling stick, everything wooden. I keep it here. Eh? Then over here, oh no, guys, then over here it's where I keep my serving spoons. Yeah, the big serving spoons. Then over here it's where we keep the eating spoons, my kids' spoons, then the knives. Then over here we keep some uncooked food. I don't know why this salt is like this. I'm going to ask my girl. Then over here we keep again some grocery things. Okay. So here this side we have our pot rack, which keeps our beautiful pots. Okay. Then down here we keep some soap. Then here it's where we keep our plates. Yeah, the wet plates here. Then here. Then over this side we have the sugar portion, my dog's food, rice, again portion. Then over here we keep more food storage things. Then over here it's where we keep our plates. And here we have more of the plates. Okay. Yeah. So then over here we have our home theater, then the fridge. Basically, guys, this is our kitchen. Okay, let me give you the view of our kitchen. Yeah, and I love the guys who did our plastering. They really, really did a great job. Then over this side, we have our family gallery something. I have my son here. This was for his. Then someone gave him this on his second birthday. Then this was me before giving birth when I was still hot mama. Then that's out on, maybe he was like 1 year. That was me when I was pregnant with Harvey. Then that's me and Mr. Gallery, family gallery. Yeah, so from there, from the kitchen, no, let me give you the view. Yeah, from the kitchen, this is our dining, dining area, then the living room, okay? Then here we are cooking food for us and the builders, I told you. Yeah, then over this side, this is our pantry, although it's where now we keep the solar. I told you guys we do not have electricity, so we use solar. So this wire mesh, we are working on our chicken coop. Here we have the solar. Here it's a little bit disorganized, but we move. Then over this side, this is our laundry room, but it's like our cooking area. Yeah, this is where we cook from. By the way, guys, when we were doing the plastering, my carpet got damaged. And I tried saving some few pieces whereby I had to use salt tape to tape the carpets. Let me show you. See, guys, although we have holes, yeah, so I taped this carpet again using salt tape. This carpet was bought or was gifted to me by my mommy Vivian. She bought me 3 rows of carpet. That was last year. Yeah, but it has served us. So when we were plastering, we had to remove the carpet. But when we are putting it back, the carpet got damaged. That's why you are not seeing a carpet here, because I had to get the small pieces so that Nzigatawam, we put back the carpet. So this side, we don't have a carpet. Then over this side, we also don't have a carpet because the carpet got damaged. So this is like our storage room, but it's our laundry room. Yeah, this is the laundry room, although it's where we cook from, okay? Over here, we just have our charcoal stoves, the grill, the charcoal, the jerry cans. Yeah, nothing much here. Okay, so I'm going to go take you to the bedrooms. Then I'll take you outside as well. So this corridor takes us to the bedrooms. Yeah, this corridor you see here, it takes us to the bedrooms. This side is kind of darker. That's why I've switched on the lights. Okay. Yeah, so over this side, it takes us to my master bedroom. And my master bedroom has a door. Yeah, then here it's where we keep our dirty clothes. Yeah, this is for dirty clothes. And the kids know undressing yourself, the clothes here. Then this corridor, it takes us to the kids' bedrooms. Guys, I'm sorry for those who are not new on my channel. You know I don't share my bedrooms, okay? So we are not going to go into the bedrooms. So over here we have the first kids' bedroom, and this is where my girl sleeps, the one who helps me at home. She sleeps here. Then over this side, we have the second kids' bedroom, and this is where my boys sleep. Then over here, this is like our bathroom or the general bathroom. Yeah, we shower from here, guys, but not every day. What is oh we shower from here, but only when it rains or very early in the morning when I have to take the kids at school. So we did some squidding here. Yeah, so this is our general bathroom. Okay. So we are going to go back. Then I take you to the other rooms as well. Then I take you outside. Okay, guys. So this is the corridor which takes us to the back of the house. Over this side, we have this room, this huge room. Guys, even if I don't tell you what's happening in this room, just by the looks of the room, you can know that this is a kid's room. So this is our kids' playroom. Yeah, the toy room, the TV room, this will be their room. Although we don't have a TV here, but the toys do not bypass this entrance. Yeah, so this is the kids' space or the kids' room. Yeah, the kids' toy room, playroom, TV room, okay? Then over this side, it takes us to the back of the house. I have my kids' school shoes there. Guys, this side, it's a little bit disorganized because we are cooking, we are building. Yeah, so please don't judge. Over here, we have our dirty things. Here, we are cooking. Yeah, we are cooking for the builders, okay? Yeah, so this is how my backyard looks like. Basically, compared to the rest of the house, here it's disorganized for, okay, not for today. Yeah, for today, because usually we do not use wood when cooking unless when we have builders. When we have builders, it's when we only use the wood to cook. So this is our backyard. Okay, guys, we have our shoes there. They are drying up. We have our chicken coop here. Okay. Yeah, this is where we are keeping our local chickens. Guys, I'm not going to take you inside, but just know this is our chicken coop. Yeah. Over here, we have our tank, the 10,000 liter water tank. This is for my neighbor. Okay. Yeah, so basically, this is it, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Should I take you inside and you see my birds? Okay, let me take you inside as well. So over here, I have these 4 roosters which are on sale, guys. If you stay in Manyangwa, Gayaza, and the surrounding areas, you can come and order your chicken with me. I want to sell off these roosters. So I have 4 roosters there. Then over here, I have these chickens here. These chicks, these are 18 here. Guys, these are local chickens and they are not machine hatched. Yeah, my hens are the one who hash. They are babies. So we have 18 here. Then over there, we have those 8, they were 14, but now we have only 8 which remained, and their mother. Okay. Ah. Then guys, over this side, we have here, it's where I keep the mother hens. Okay. This is where we have the mother hens. We have 2 which are there. You see, guys? Yes, so guys, I'm not planning. I'm seriously starting the chicken business. So we want to be in the chicken business, but basically we are going to focus on the broilers, then the local chickens. So at the front of the house, we are going to be having the broilers. Then here at the back of the house, we are going to be having the local chickens, because we want to add on our income. Yeah, so then over this side, down here, it's where I keep, it's my dog's house. By the way, this is our pizza tree. Yeah. Zoe! Mama! Hello! Hello! Ranger! 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 My dogs are here, although they are kind of sick. Yesterday, the vet was here and he gave them some treatment. Okay. Then over here, we have this mama. We gave her 14 eggs and she hatched 13 of them. So these are 13 baby chicks and their mother, okay? So guys, I want to expand my chicken business. For the local hens, I don't want to take the hens to the hatchery. I want my eggs to be the one hatching their eggs. Okay, guys? Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to say goodbye and see you guys in my next video. Hi, Alton. How are you? What's your name? That is photocopy. For those who want to see Mister, just look at this boy. Alton, Alton, this boy is Daddy's photocopy. Apart from the eyes are mine, but the rest is Daddy's photocopy. You look this side. When you see this one, it's the photocopy of Mister. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm going to say goodbye and see you in my next video. I love you.